Okay, so where I am, we are already placed this lens, the lens position at 80 centimeter and the object position at 55 centimeter. Why? Because we need a such type of table for the calculation of the focal length. The object needle position, the lens position and the image lens position. So I am going to write down the values, and you are just noted down those things. So object needle position, lens position, image needle position. Okay, in centimeter. Each of the thing is in centimeter. So for the first reading, our lens at 80 centimeter and the position of the object at 55 centimeter. Now we are going to adjust the image. We are going to measure the length of the image. Now you can see that you can see a inverted image of the object. Am I clear? The inverted image of the object. Now at that position, just a minute. You can see that, the inverted image of the object. Am I clear? You can see that the inverted image of the object. Now, what is the method? We are going to just coincide the image needle and the optical image we are seeing from this lens. We just to try to coincide. Now, you can see that when we are move the lens, move our position, the two needle does not coincide at each of the point. Such type of that means this image length is not perfect, and this error we are called parallaxial error. Okay, now parallaxial error, I am going to place this one. So our object at the position of 55 centimeter. Okay, now I am going to adjust this needle with the object image and the image needle. Okay, just a minute. You can see that I'm just adjust it. Now our object position is 55 centimeter, and you can see that I'm just coincide the two image, and each of the position the needle is in a same position. They are just coincide each other. Am I right? They are coincide each other at each of the point. Now just we have measured this value, and we are going to measure this value 130, 131, 132, and this one is 132.5. This one 130, 131, 130.5, 132, 130.32.5, 132.5. Okay, is it clear? Now I am going to replace this position 55 to 50. You can see that this point and this point, the position of the 50 and this needle must be coincide with each other. Now our object length. Now our lens length is always 80 centimeter. Now our object length is become 50 centimeter. Am I right? Now I am going to adjust for that one. Now you can see that at this position the needle at each of the point are same. There is no parallaxial error. Am I right? Each of the point, these two needles are coincide each other. So now we are going to measure this point. 120, 120.5. So 120.5.